Everything started with a perfect rocket launch, rising smoothly into the sky above Earth. For a few seconds, everything looked normal. But high in the atmosphere, something started to go wrong. Small vibrations and sparks appeared on the rocket body. Within seconds, the rocket began breaking apart. Large sections separated mid-flight, completely out of control. Burning debris fell through the sky. One small failure ended the entire mission. Subscribe for more space stories.